Do you know which package plan you can easily sell out in SEO? Which packages are beneficial for your digital agency from a seller's perspective? What should your commitments be towards guarantee on results? Hi there, I am Wasim from Globital and today I am coming to you from Faisalabad, Pakistan. Globital wants to help you design your digital agency to deliver. That's mean knowing where to focus your attention and strategy. In this video, we are going to share SEO packages to easily sell and deliver for agencies. If you have joined us as the owner of our digital agency, welcome. Hit the Globital TV channel subscribe button if you want to follow along with our series on building better digital agencies. We release new videos every Monday. For today, I would love to know the one thing you are going to implement immediately after watching this video. Share with us in the comments. It's all about implementation. Now to our video. At Globital, we want to help you create the very best digital marketing agency. That means that you need to understand what your customer want and need. Know how to market properly in order to reach them. Build a service offering that scale your business while retaining clients. Create a framework for your services that is repeatable and fail-proof. Follow through with the quality checks and insurance. Our support helps you do exactly that, and we have designed a globally reaching and highly successful roadmap that make integration easy and fast. Our SEO roadmap will help you understand what your digital agency needs in terms of offering keyword package sizing and consulting services. Our SEO services include SEO audit, penalty analysis, content analysis and fixing, backlink analysis and fixing, on-page error handling, meta tag optimization, URL optimizations, content optimizations, sitemap submission, analytics, search console and SEO recommendations. Let's take a look at what you need to know to start selling. There are two main avenues for packaging options that you can offer to your clients. Number one, keyword specific, and second one, SEO consulting engagements. Let's start from keyword specific. Keyword specific packages are extremely popular for many agencies as a selling tool. These packages are based on providing services for a specific number of keywords per month. Doubling down on your efforts systematically on the same keywords improves the effect that they have at the end of the day. Focus and repetition is the key to the enhancement of the keyword effectively. The keyword specific plan offers the added benefit of focus, targeted campaign and tangible results. Moreover, if we talk about the benefits of offering the keyword specific package plan from a selling perspective, to diversify the offering, you as an SEO or digital marketing agency can then make the decisions to increase the number of keywords that are worked on as a progress is made and ultimately result in increasing revenue for your agency business. And if we talk about commitments towards guarantee in keyword specific, it is important to note that your liability is significantly decreased when offering a keyword specific packages services. It is a far more structured with the actual number set to the deliverable parameters. Specifically, the focus will be on having the keyword ranking on the search engine results pages. The second packaging option that you can offer to your client is SEO consulting engagement. SEO consulting engagement, on the other hand, are a comprehensive and recurring service package that focus more towards on-page fixing, link building and monthly maintenance. The straightforward goal of this approach is to deliver the best possible experience to visitors from organic search. This service does also include keyword services, but it is far more nuanced and less structured towards keyword specific results. And if we talk about the benefits of offering SEO consulting engagement package plan from a selling perspective, happy clients by increased user engagement on their websites, build trust on your agency, long-term relationship and recurring revenues for your agency business. But if we talk about commitments towards guarantees, as there are a number of elements involved in building user engagement like click-through rate, time on site, page views per user or sessions, unique user sessions, cost per click, sales conversion rate, number of likes and shares, and many more. As an SEO or digital marketing agency, you are responsible for them to increase their stats. That's it. You are well on your way to deciding which SEO packages to easily sell and deliver. Remember, we offer a variety of packages to best match the needs of your customers in terms of hours, keywords, on-page, services-related activities, and more. The number one thing you can do in order to be successful is to have a thorough understanding and clear communication of what your customer needs. Please do comment, like, subscribe, and if you would like more help to scale fast in digital marketing, have a look at our 30-day Kickstart program. Furthermore, I have put all the details in the descriptions below. Please check it if you are interested. See you next week.